Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. MCX natural gas price had given a downward trendline breakdown along with break in its nearby key support of 133 level indicate that the short-term trend is bearish in the energy segment. However, natural gas price witnessed a strong upside bounce but failed to breach upper key resistance of 166 level, that is 61.8% of previous fall in the past as per above chart. At present, natural gas price failed to breach key trendline resistance of 157 level can drag the price further down till 144 and 137 level in near term. On the other hand, key resistance hold at 166 level and break above will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.